All right, I'm going to show you how to change the battery here in a Dodge Ram key fob. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and push in this little silver button. That's going to release your valet key. And then on the back side here, there's a couple different spots where you want to avoid going into, but there's this little line right there, right in between. Get a sharp knife, stick it in, not too far. Just, you'll feel it wiggle in. Then turn the knife left, and it's going to pop it right up. Go ahead and just pull this backside off there. You can see it comes right apart, exposing your CR2032 3-volt battery. Just give it a whack on the ground. It comes right out. Get your new battery. Stick it in. Go ahead and replace the backside there. It just clicks into place. And then to get the back to start or to go in, I just push it down on the counter. There you go. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a like.